Adam Feuerstein, investors got their first look at some new and important cancer drug data on Wednesday night, a preview of the big ASCO Cancer Conference that starts in 2 weeks. But one company, Celldex Therapeutics, was conspicuously absent. Tell me what happened there.
Yeah, that's right. Greg, I call it it's like the my dog ate my ASCO homework excuse. Celldex was supposed to submit a research abstract on its breast cancer drug for this big ASCO conference, but the company apparently screwed up the application process, so its submission was rejected. Now, as a result, investors got sneak peeks of exciting new cancer drug data from companies like Array BioPharma, Onyx Pharmaceuticals, and Pharmacyclics on Wednesday night. But Celldex was in the penalty box.
All right, so when does Celldex get out of the penalty box?
Well, Celldex is not going to be presenting its breast cancer data at ASCO next month. Instead, what the company is going to do, they're going to hold a webcast on Wednesday, May 23rd, during which it was going to announce the results from this important Phase 2 study of its breast cancer drug.
You mentioned Celldex in early March as one of the cancer drug stocks to watch leading up to ASCO. Since then, the stock is up about 16%. So what happens next?
Well, Celldex shares were up almost 50% before selling off a bit. But lately I'm seeing a lot of renewed strength in the stock as traders kind of anticipate this data release next Wednesday. Now, how the stock behaves after that is hard to predict because a lot is going to depend on the strength or the weakness in this breast cancer drug data. Unfortunately, the drug is a bit of a shot in the dark, even though it's really important for Celldex's future. Okay,
so we'll watch to see what happens with Celldex next week, and I assume you're going to be busy writing about cancer drug stocks for the next few weeks.
Oh, definitely. As always, I'm going to be covering the ASCO conference. It starts on June 1st. This is a really great time for biotech investors.
This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to